Wire fraud is rampant in the real estate industry, and the main way that the scammers are working currently is through email.
I'm Cathy Palmer of Listing Lifestyles, and I'll show you how to sell your house for the most money. My innovative marketing approach makes it easy for my sellers to list, show, and sell their property by gaining the advantage over their competition.
What happens is the scammers are out there scouring emails looking for signs of people involved in a real estate transaction. At that point, they try to mimic or clone an email from someone involved in the transaction, specifically the title company or the agent that you're working with. What they typically do then is they try to get you to wire money into their account instead of where the money's supposed to go. Bogus emails will often appear to be someone who is in the transaction, such as a title company or your agent. If something sounds suspicious or they're asking questions that they should already know the answer to, such as when is the closing date or how much is the deposit for, this should be an automatic red flag. Also, a way to tell is to click on the sender and see if the sender truly is the person in the transaction with you. If you have any questions about your wiring instructions, all of those should come encrypted from the title company, and everything should be voice verified by someone that you know that's involved in the transaction. Wiring instructions never change through the course of the whole transaction, so please don't fall prey to this. If you want to sell your house for the most money in the next 6 months, go to listinglifestyles.com/free. Register for my exclusive free training video on how you can sell with confidence and get the advantage over your competition. I've spent years developing my systems to make the process faster and easier. And if you're feeling overwhelmed or confused, this video will give you a better understanding and a sense of relief. You'll get the tools that are essential to elevate your property above the rest. You'll also get a copy of my 10 musts when selling, and as a bonus, I'm going to give you a checklist that you can go through to make sure that your home is staged for each showing. So register to access now.